Guys, welcome back to the beauty room. So I'm in work mode today. Work mode, yeah. So my hair is just up in a bun. I'm gonna work on my kids' playroom today, so watch me turn this into this. Okay, so let's get started. I guess you're just gonna watch me clean, so bye. Let's get this playroom right. We bought some things from IKEA, so I'm gonna bring those things in and bring some stuff out. So I'm just gonna show you me working and how I get this stuff out of here. So let's go. Okay, so now I'm sitting on the floor, so I'm gonna try to organize these two like bookcase things into like a little window seat that's gonna go under the window, so we can sit there and read books, the boys before bedtime and at nap time and stuff. So that's what I'm working on right now. As you can see, it's a little project. There's books everywhere, so I have to decide if I want to put this shelf in here, which I think I will, because I don't want their books to get shoved in that little bag and get ripped up, because that's kind of what's been happening to them. So I'm gonna slide this in here. Okay, so that will divide some of the books up. So trying to finish this up. Read the larger books like that they like to read, like Days Done, which is a great book. And what else? All Things Bright and Beautiful. We like to read that one before bed. So put that in there. So I'm just gonna keep working. So try to get this done today. I'm so sick of it being a mess all the time, and I just want it to be done. You know how you just want something to be done? So. Oh yeah. I've gotten those books sorted, and I kind of shoved them up under the window, like they're kind of under the window. So it's gonna kind of be like a window seat. I thought it would be nice to put the books next to the chairs, and then there's a couple extra chairs there so that you can read books. You can even sit on top of it, which I want to put like some pillows on top of there. Maybe put pillows all along the back so that you can sit there and read books, or you can lay down, or whatever you want to do. So yeah, so I'll figure that section out. For now, it's gonna kind of look like that. And then I kind of put some things in here for now. That's probably not how it's gonna stay, but I just kind of put them there so I can get the second one, like the IKEA sectional, in here. Get this one out of here and then put that one next to it. So that's what I gotta work on next. I gotta take all the stuff out of here and the TV and everything, and then get that moved away so that I can get that stuff in here. So let me get started on that next. So yeah. Okay, so now that we have those two pieces in, these two pieces in, now I can kind of push them together like kind of how I want them to be and decide, like, you know, how I want them to be. I think I want to be able to push them closer to the center, and then you might have a little side space here, side space there to put some of the kids' toys. And I think that'll be fine because we do have the ramp, which I can slide in that corner. So let me just squeeze those together and get that set up. Okay. Okay, so now I've got these squeezed together and they're centered. So that way they're all along this wall. We're gonna have like bins and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We still have this tape on there, which I will eventually take off, which I kind of started. So take that off also, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some bins and stuff in here and start getting it how I want. So let go. So I finished kind of like filling that in with all the toys, as you can see. So that looks really good against that wall. So now I want to work on like what I want to put up on the top. So I'll do that next. So here's what it looks like with the things on top. I just kind of put a globe, a couple books, an ABC basket, and just a little plant, something nice and neat and aesthetic. So it kind of looks like this along the wall now. So a lot better, a lot neater. A lot of their toys are put away. I just put a little basket there with some blankets, and that's a little reading note. In this corner they have a little giraffe, and then they have blocks in here and they have blocks there, so they can build tons of towers here. But now I feel like their space has been maximized. They have more room to play, and it looks, you know, it looks really nice and looks a lot neater. So yeah. Okay, so I'm finally done with the room. So I'm gonna give you a little room tour of the kids' playroom now that it's nice and clean and the covers are clean and everything. So this took me most of the day, but I'm so glad that it's done because it looks really good. So I'm gonna give you a peek. So here we go. So starting over here, we have their giraffe that they had when they were a baby in their nursery. And then we have a box here full of blocks right next to the box of blocks there. We've got the pencil sharpener, because this is kind of like the learning area. So they've got their learning books. They've got their learning things in here also. And they have their blocks at the bottom. They've got some puzzles, that kind of thing. And then you see the DVDs there. You also see the books stacked up there with the bookcase. And you can kind of see like their toys nicely, neatly lined up. I just did some very minimal decor on top. Eventually we're going to get our flat screen mounted up there, so that's on pause, but for now I think it looks really good. This is their seating area where they'll eat their breakfast and dinner and stuff and lunch. I've got their little tool set and stuff in the corner. We also have their cars ramp here, a couple extra chairs here. This is the reading nook area. This is how it came out. So I basically just put these two cases together, and you can see how the books are down there, and you can sit there and read. And then I put like a little cat in the hat there, and with a little cat in the hat book, which is their favorite book. And then the book said, the pillow says, "Read me a story, tuck me in tight, say a sweet prayer, and kiss me goodnight." I really like that saying. And so I kind of put that in that area. And then just a nap time pillow, because usually when we're doing story time in the day, it's usually right before nap time. So I also threw a couple blankets there because they're always getting cold. And they can grab a quick blanket and sit there on their nice recliners and relax. So I cleaned the covers, and now they're all nice and clean and they're back on there. And I really like how it looks in here, and I really like the aesthetic, and I hope you enjoyed it too. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found your inner glow through watching me clean and organize all day, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.